Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have discussed about the ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the expansion pack for this ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit, which is the tank expansion pack. Here you can see tank expansion pack. So let's see what you will get inside this tank expansion pack. Okay, so here let me open the box, and yeah, you have to note this number QD004 if you want to order this. Okay, so this is the help and support card from the ACEBOTT. If you got any problem, then you can email them. If you want to visit their website, then here is the website www.acebott.com. okay, and you can visit their website and download the tutorial for any of the learning kits. Okay, now this is the connector, screw and Allen key. Okay, nuts and bolts for your smart car starter kit to fit the tank expansion pack. Okay, here you have the tracks. Okay, so the quality of the tracks and everything is very good. Okay, you can go for it without any hesitation. So this is the 2-track you will get in this expansion pack. Okay, then after this is 2 front wheels. Okay, and here we have 2 rear wheels. Yeah, so this is what you will get inside the tank expansion pack. 2 tracks. Okay, the nuts, bolts and everything to connect this with the smart car starter kit, the forward wheel, or you can say front wheel, and rear wheels. Okay, so this is what you will be receiving in the ACEBOTT tank expansion pack kit. Okay, and if you want to order it, then you can visit the ACEBOTT website www.acebott.com, and if you are in India and if you want to order it, then you can also reach out to us. We will get it for you and we will deliver the entire kit to your doorstep. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos. In the future videos we are going to cover more expansion pack for the ACEBOTT Smart Car Starter Kit. Okay, so do subscribe to Fusion Automate and let's meet in the future videos. Thank you.